Excel beginner series. In today's video it's gonna be level 1. It's all the basics of Excel. If you're new to Excel, I recommend you watching the video, please. And also, let's begin. So we're going to start up Excel by searching Excel. Then you press on Excel, it will just launch. Leave it for a while to launch. Then after it launches, you're greeted by this lovely design and your recent documents from newest to oldest. So you just pin it, or you can pin it or unpin, whatever you want. There's also templates. Templates are very good. They save lots of time, especially, and if you know how to use them, they're very good. But the best way to learn Excel is to use a blank workbook. So we're just gonna open the blank workbook. And as you know, in lots of Microsoft products, you have those tabs, ribbons, tabs. They're almost every Microsoft product. Publisher, PowerPoint, Excel, Word, Publisher, everything. Almost every Microsoft product has this. So we also have, those are called columns and those are called rows. So those are called rows. Those are called rows, and those are called cells. Like this cell is A8, B4, A1, A2, J13, D5, B1, J6, A1. So also this is a range of cells. This will say a range of cells. So this is a range of cells. You may use it in lots of formulas, and down here located is the worksheet. So worksheet is or worksheets or the spreadsheet itself. It's stored inside a workbook. So your spreadsheets inside a workbook. You can delete a worksheet, rename it, move or copy it, tab, whatever you want. You can also make a new one by pressing on this button, the plus button. You can also delete them, which I'm gonna do to sheet number 2, and you can rename them. One, you can call it anything you want. So also on the right, you can find this zooming gauge. You can zoom in or zoom out. You can also go to zoom and select the magnification, whatever you want. So also now we're just gonna put some data in. So let's put some data, because we want to make a list of top 10 best fast food chains. So here is your rank. You press tab and go to the next tab. Fast food chain. Also tab and double click on cell B. It will extend, so the cell will extend B1, and it will fit number of stores. Also press tab and double click on cell C. On the headquarters, where is the headquarters located? I know I spelled it headquarters. So you press tab on it will, and also double click. So here, everything is good. We put everything we need, and so also now let's format it. Let's change the font as we want, like how we want it. We can extend the font, change the font, let the font bigger. We will also press style styles and put a lovely heading. I like this heading, so let's put in. So next we're gonna also double click on here and press insert. This will insert a new column. We're gonna write top 10 fast food chains. As you see, it didn't fit. We will not extend it. We will select all from A1 to D1. So we're going to press merge center. By this, the text will get the cells will get merged and put in the middle. So you can also put the font bigger, and you can also put a lovely header for it. So here we have a lovely worksheet design. So I'm just gonna fill in some data and I'm gonna pause the video. So hello everyone, I'm back. So as you know, I think you realize something is off with this. Why? What's this number? What's this decimal number? So it's how many revenues they made per year. So as you know, we make computer learning. You may ask us, why did we do that? Well, we did not do it. We did it not accidentally. We meant it. So we can show you something. You can insert a table. You can insert a table or delete it between something if you forgot it in work. So like what I did, you just and it will be, and the number of stores. If you press insert, behind it will make a new cell. So you can write here maybe revenue USD billions. So we did this so we can show you. So you can also add columns, rows, anything. So we're gonna just cut this and paste it here, and also the same thing from here. So everything now is fine. Paste. We'll also delete this. Cut. Enter. Paste. So here we put, now everything is right. So now after we put our data in, we're gonna format the data. So you see here is a number. We want to put the dollar sign. So we're gonna press here. So maybe you wanted if you wanted more detailed, like you want more decimal numbers, you can add decimal numbers, or you cannot and add it. So I want three decimal numbers. So press OK, and it will add these decimal numbers. So here we have 3 decimal numbers instead of 2, like I wanted, and we can. Now we can also change we can select all of this and change the font. Let the font bigger. Change the font. We can change it to Times New Roman, and it looks. And after we formatted our data, everything looks excellent. So now we're going to show you how you can print our Excel worksheet. You're gonna go to File and go to Print. So this is how it will look like when it's printed. And if we turn here, you realize that this line is where it can print. So it will not print the headquarters column. So we can double click on this, which will let it smaller, and now we can be able to print it. See, his line is not crossing, headquarters is not crossing the line, so we can print it. So let's go to File again and press Print. We can print everything. Everything looks great, and also we can select them and put borders, because so it can look because when we print it will look like this. So we put borders. We can put borders. So next we can also change the color of this. Maybe we would like a bit maybe orange, yellow, and also we can change the color of stores. Maybe we would like, maybe you can select maybe different colors or so. Now we added a color. Now let's come to one of my favorite parts, formulas. So we're going to formulas. The formulas are codes you type, like you can do they can do addition, subtraction, and things like that. So we can write here equal every formula because with an equal. We want to know what's the difference between Starbucks and minus McDonald's revenue. How the revenue. So we want to see what's the difference between the revenue. So the difference between the revenue, we're also gonna change the so it's gonna be $5.43 billion. So this is the difference between Starbucks so this is a difference between Starbucks and McDonald's revenue. So we're gonna also press wrap text. It will row for column 14b is gonna look like this. The whole 14 it will look. So we're gonna put this for. So we're gonna write this for every one of so the difference between Starbucks and McDonald's revenue is 5.3 billion. So we're not gonna do this to all the stores, so we're only gonna do this for the top 1 and top 2. So we want to see the average earning. So now we come to the functions. So functions are like formulas but are different. So we want to say what's the average earning, what's the average revenue. So the average revenue is gonna be equal average bracket. We're gonna select all of this, then put a bracket. So the average earning is $8.927 billion. So it's gonna be $8 billion or like $9 billion if we round it. So we can also do use another way. We can also press on this is insert function. So we're gonna write, maybe you want the average function, so we press go. So you're gonna press on it so we can insert. So number one is gonna be like, we're gonna select all of this, and so we're gonna press OK. And also we can do it by this way. Both ways are correct, but one is easier and one is harder. So we come to the lastly shorts. So we come last to free space. So free space is, you can, when you scroll there, you can see the thing, you can free space the top row. So when you go down, top 10 fast food chains, you can see. But also, so this also can freeze the top column. So if you're scrolling there, the rank will come with you, so you can see what's sorted. So it's a good way. So you can also close it easily. So now we come to the last part of our video. It's shorts. So we're gonna create short of the revenue. So we're just gonna select this and go to insert and choose a short. Maybe there are 2D, 3D shorts, maybe this, this or this. All of them are, my opinion, are good. So maybe I like this short, so I'm gonna press on it. I'm gonna get this short, so I'm gonna get this part short, so I'm gonna move it wherever I want. So this document, so I'm gonna just zoom out. So here is the short. So we also can let the short smaller, which is good because if we have a small area in our page, we can still. So also now we finished our video. Thank you everyone for watching. I wish you have a great day. Also, you can download this template from the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more Excel beginner series, Excel tips and office tips and computer tips and lots more. Bye. See you in another video.